Drop it.
Hello once again, welcome to our e-learning for today. And for today's video, I'm going to discuss to you the spelling activities for today's lesson. So let's dive into the things to do. Okay, so for the things to do, we're going to have social studies socrative from 9 a.m. today up to 11 p.m. So do not forget to do your social studies socrative. Next, you're going to do the spelling activities, and this is actually your required worksheet for today for English. And by the way, I am available for Zoom meeting this 3 p.m. this afternoon. So if you are prepared with your materials, let's start our lesson for today. Again, we have spelling activities. So let's go to the first spelling activity. So here it is. So we have the BCCB pattern. So what are you going to do with the BCCB pattern? So I'm going to explain to you right now with a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to explain right now what is BCCB pattern. So BCCB pattern is the following. So it's two-syllable words with the pattern vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel in the middle of the word. So BCCB stands for V, vowel, C for consonant, C for consonant, and V, vowel. So if you forgot what's the meaning of vowels and consonants, I'm going to give you right now. So vowels are coming from the 26-letter alphabet of the English language. So we have A, E, I, O, U. These letters are what we call the vowels. And consonants are the other letters that are not A, E, I, O, U. Examples, we have B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, and so on and so forth. So we have a lot of consonants and we have only 5 vowels. So you need to memorize those. So vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and others that are not A, E, I, O, U are considered consonants. So we go to this other idea about BCCB pattern. So the words break into 2 syllables after the first consonant in the middle of the word. So I'm going to give you an example right now of a word following BCCB pattern. So we have number 1, dentist. So we can now check if this is a BCCB pattern word. So dentist. So we go to the letters in the middle. So the letters in the middle are the following. So we have vowel over here. All right. So that's letter E, that's a vowel. Next, the letter N is a consonant, and letter T is automatically a consonant, and letter I is a vowel. So as you can see here, we have vowel, E is a vowel, N is a consonant, T is a consonant, and I is a vowel. So we are following the BCCB pattern. So we can see here that in the middle of this word, as you can see in the meaning, you can find it only in the middle of the word, not in the start or the end of the word. It's the middle. So E-N-T-I, that's following the BCCB pattern. Now, why is this important? This is important in how to read the sentence. So we have now this word, dentist. So dentist is actually a 2-syllable word. Why? Because den is the first syllable and tist is the second syllable. So we have dentist. Okay? So I'm going to give you right now 2 examples of words following the BCCB pattern. Okay? So first are the words with different consonants, and second we have words with double consonants. Now, going to the first example of words with different consonants. Number 1, chapter. So we have 2 syllables. So chap, enter, 1 and 2. Now this is following BCCB pattern because as you can see, that's A is a vowel, P is a consonant, T is a consonant, and E is a vowel. So that's A, P, T, E. That's the middle of the word. We call this, again, a word following BCCB pattern. Okay? So as you can see over here, 2 syllables following BCCB pattern. Next, why are these considered words with different consonants? Because as you can see, P and T are 2 different consonants. P is not the same with T and T is not the same with P. That's the reason why they are called words with different consonants. Let's go to number 2. Winter. We have 2 syllables again, win and ter. So if you say the word, you say winter. That's 2 syllables. Now let's check if this is following BCCB pattern. Let's go to the middle of the word. So I is a vowel, N is a consonant, T is a consonant, and E is a vowel. Now, let's check if these are words with different consonants. So, N and T are two different consonants. They are not the same. So that's why we call winter as words with different consonants following the BCCB pattern. Finally, in number 3, we have cactus. Again, cac is the first syllable and tus is the second syllable. So this is a two-syllable word. Now, let's check if this is following BCCB pattern. So A is a vowel, C is a consonant, T is a consonant, and U is a vowel. So it's following the BCCB pattern. Now let's check if this is a word with different consonants. C is not the same with T, and T is not the same with C. That's why this is an example of words with different consonants following the BCCB pattern. Now let's go to the second type of BCCB, words with double consonants. Now I'm going to show you 4. Tennis. Now again, it's following two syllables, ten and nis. Tennis. So first is ten and nis is the second syllable. Now let's see if this is following the BCCB pattern. So BCCB pattern, again, we have E is vowel, N is consonant, N is consonant, and I is vowel. So is this a double consonant? A double consonant, which means do we have the same letter? So as you can see in the middle, N and N are the same. So that's why we call this word tennis as words with double consonants. Double, which means they have the same letter. Now let's go to number 5. Summer. Some and mer. So which means that we have two syllables, summer. Now let's check if this is following the BCCB pattern. That's vowel, consonant, consonant, and vowel. Now, is this words with double consonants? We have double M. We have the same letter, which is M and M. So this is considered words with double consonants. And finally, number 6, we have soccer. We have the first syllable, sock, and then cur is your second syllable. So it's a two-syllable word. Do we follow the BCCB pattern here? So O is a vowel, C is a consonant, C is a consonant, and E is a vowel. Remember, this is a double consonant because we can see double C or letter C and C, which is the same. That's why this word is considered a double consonant following the BCCP pattern. So that's the idea about BCCP patterns, okay? And what you're going to do with this activity is that you're going to select the correct word from 1 to 20 for answering number 1. For example, my family is beginning a blank to the country. What do we mean by this? So if your answer is like pattern, you're going to put pattern in this blank here. So my family is beginning a pattern to the country. Pattern is actually wrong. So I'm going to give you right now the correct answer. The correct answer for number 1 is the word journey. So my family is beginning a journey to the country. So the correct word is coming from number 2, and you're going to write that. So that's the activity for number 1, and that's the worksheet for today. Now let's go to question number 2, or the activity number 2. Okay, and here it is. So spelling word sorts. So as I explained in the beginning of the video for today, you're going to divide these 20 words, and including the challenge words, that's 25 words, into 2 groups. And the first group will be, you're going to divide between double consonants. What do you mean by double consonants again? So double consonants, in the middle, you have the same letter, just like I explained. So example like summer. Summer is double M. So M and M in the middle of the word. And here in the second column, you're going to put different consonants. So example, we have bargain. So that's vowel. R is consonant, G is consonant, and A is vowel. So we have the BCCB pattern. We have now R and G are 2 different consonants. So you're going to write bargain here in the basic word. So again, if you have double consonants like double T, double S, double M, double N, the same letter, you're going to put it in this box. But if you have 2 different consonants like R and G, R and N, we have B and J, automatically that is included here in this second box over here. So I know that you know what to do here. So let's go to the last activity for today. You're going to answer this proofreading for spelling. We've done this 100 times in our classroom before and for our online learning. So I think you know what you're going to do here. So you're going to circle the misspelled word in this paragraph. So after finding it, after circling it, you're going to write the correct spelling of the word in these spaces below. All right. So as you can see over here, next. For our reminders for today, do not forget your English worksheet, the spelling activity for today. Please send that to my email, johnsentordiel.americanacademy@gmail.com. And do not forget also to do the Socrative for social studies for today. So it's important that you're going to finish it until 11 p.m. today. And for the English worksheet, you're going to send it until 9 a.m. tomorrow. So that's our lesson for today. I hope you learned something new for today. And again, this is Mr. Johnson signing off. Thank you so much and goodbye.